Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So welcome to another Throwback Thursday. I've actually been using this phone right here for quite some time, and I wanted to give you a throwback on it because I owe you some Throwback Thursdays. I have so many phones, man, that I have enough to go around. So I'll get them out. I'll use them for a month or however long I want to use them, and then follow up and give you a follow-up video. But these are still good phones, man. And look, these were kind of flagships at the time, and so that's the crazy part about it. We kind of brushed these off after a while, but there are plenty of people still using them. Mine is a little banged up. I broke my door off, so I just put a little piece of tape over there just so I can make sure the SIM tray stays in, and that's my hookup. That's it. Other than that, that's the only problem I've actually ever had with this device. No problems at all, man. I still like it. I could do night footage with this. It's really good at night. The front camera was something that people bragged about, and I actually liked it too. This phone doesn't have optical image station on the rear, but it has it on the front, because they were actually touting that this is what they're looking for at the time. I guess this was kind of in that selfie type deal. People were really into it, so. The cameras were probably the biggest part of this phone, and then the screen. And also, the speaker on this thing, I mean, I put it up against some true bosses, man, and it is definitely a speaker that is loud. So let's go here and check something out here. Let's see here. Let's go to my videos. And let's go down to the latest video I just posted. So here we go. What's going on, folks? It's your man Jay, and I want to talk to you about this Goku watch. Now, this watch right here, literally probably can last. Now, you probably thinking, Jay, that's not that loud, but it's one of those things where. You think it's loud or you don't. I personally think it's really loud for a single bottom firing speaker. There's no stereo speakers here, but it gets the job done, man. The phone has full LTE, obviously, for the US. This is the OG version. These top and bottom bezels, when I look at it now, I remember this is a 6-inch display, and to me, they were one of the first ones to do edge-to-edge displays. I mean, look at it. There's nothing on the edges. Those are the thinnest bezels ever. Where are the bezels at? But imagine if they were to cut this bottom part off. You know what I'm saying? And just trim that down a little bit. And just keep this same design. They could shut down tons of phones right there alone. These are the thinnest bezels I've ever seen. Ever. So, the cameras obviously was the highlight for it. It didn't record in 4K. I believe it. No, it doesn't do 4K. But the AR thing, I love the AR thing. But let me go back here. Having that camera button was boss, man. It didn't record in 4K. It only did 1080p. But that was fine, man. I mean, it was nothing that was bad. You know what I'm saying? It was good 1080p coverage. But still, this is one of the few phones that actually did it really good, especially the night footage with the front camera, man. It was just sick. I really liked it, man. So. Let me see and grab something here. Let's see here. Superior Auto. So I'm going to take a photo here best I can. It processes it. This is one of the few phones I like that had a MediaTek processor. It actually did really good, man. It wasn't as sluggish as I thought it was going to be. But anyway, those cameras, man, are awesome. Video recording and everything was solid on here. No complaints, man. I know a lot of people probably wouldn't be interested in this phone today, but I think this is one of those phones that if you have it, keep it. As long as it's working, keep using it. I had to rig up my SIM tray, you know what I'm saying? But it's okay. The volume rocker and the power button kind of in a good spot. At first, I thought that was in a weird spot, but it's actually pretty good. And the front camera, I'm going to take a front photo real quick. Man, this thing is awesome. I know you can't see me, but coming back to it. Alright, Sorry for that long pause. I was grabbing a phone. There it is. This joint is clean, man. Look at the detail there. No filters, no lights, no nothing. Just straight up good, solid footage, man. You can see all the details in my beard. It's a good phone, man. So I owed you a little Throwback Thursday with the Sony joint. Really appreciate you guys hanging around, man, for these Throwback Thursdays. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And by the way, the phone that's recording this is going to be in a Throwback Thursday soon. It's your man Jay. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.